Hi, fellow investors. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of finance and investment. I'm thrilled to have you here today because we have a very special topic lined up that's guaranteed to grab your attention and help you on your journey to financial independence. In today's video, we're going to dissect the investment genius of none other than Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha himself, and reveal the 12 mistakes that every investor makes. So, if you're ready to supercharge your investing game and avoid these common pitfalls, then keep watching. Before we jump into the meat of this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our future financial insights. Our goal here is to empower you with the knowledge you need to achieve financial independence as soon as possible. So, let's get started. Mistake number 1, chasing the next big thing. One of the biggest mistakes investors make is constantly chasing the next hot investment trend. They often jump into the market without fully understanding the fundamentals, purely driven by fear of missing out. However, Warren Buffett's contrarian approach has taught us that following the herd can lead to disastrous investment decisions. Instead, we should focus on thoroughly researching companies, understanding their competitive advantages, and investing in businesses with long-term growth potential. Mistake number 2, market timing. Trying to predict market movements is a common trap that many investors fall into. They attempt to buy low and sell high, but the reality is that accurately timing the market consistently is nearly impossible. Warren Buffett himself has emphasized the importance of long-term investing. By taking a patient approach and staying invested over the long haul, we can benefit from the power of compounding and ride out short-term market fluctuations. Mistake number 3, ignoring the power of compounding. Albert Einstein famously referred to compound interest as the eighth wonder of the world. Unfortunately, many investors fail to fully grasp the concept and underestimate its potential. In this segment, we'll break down the math behind compounding and show you how a small investment today can turn into a substantial fortune over time. Warren Buffett's own success is a testament to the power of compounding. Mistake number 4, lack of diversification. Putting all your eggs in one basket can be a recipe for disaster. We'll discuss why a lack of diversification exposes investors to unnecessary risks. Warren Buffett's portfolio allocation strategy, which emphasizes spreading investments across different asset classes and industries, can help you minimize risk and protect your portfolio from significant downturns. Mistake number 5, emotional investing. Human beings are emotional creatures, and those emotions can often cloud our judgment when it comes to investing. We'll explore the psychological biases that can lead to poor investment decisions and discuss strategies for making logical, rational choices even in the face of market volatility. Warren Buffett's ability to remain calm and rational during turbulent times has been a key factor in his long-term success. Mistake number 6, failing to do proper research. Thorough due diligence is crucial before making any investment. We'll show you the importance of researching companies, analyzing financial statements, understanding industry trends, and assessing management quality. Warren Buffett's meticulous approach to research has been the backbone of his investment success, and we can learn valuable lessons from his methods. Mistake number 7, overreacting to news headlines. The media bombards us with sensational headlines and breaking news that can trigger knee-jerk reactions. However, basing investment decisions solely on news headlines can be detrimental to your portfolio. In this segment, we'll explore the dangers of overreacting to news and discuss Warren Buffett's long-term perspective, which allows him to stay focused on his investment goals. Mistake number 8, high-fee investments. Fees can eat away at your investment returns over time. We'll expose the hidden fees associated with certain investment products and demonstrate the impact they can have on your long-term wealth accumulation. Warren Buffett's cost-effective investment strategies, such as low-cost index funds, can help you maximize your returns by minimizing expenses. Mistake number 9, lack of patience. In today's fast-paced world, patience is a virtue that can often be overlooked when it comes to investing. We'll explore why patience is crucial for successful investing and how Warren Buffett's calm and patient approach has rewarded him with extraordinary returns over time. By staying focused on long-term goals and avoiding impulsive decisions, we can increase our chances of achieving financial independence. Mistake number 10, overconfidence. Overestimating our own abilities can lead to risky investment decisions. We'll discuss the dangers of overconfidence and how it can blind us to potential risks. Warren Buffett's humility and focus on continuous learning have been instrumental in his success. We'll share inspiring quotes from Buffett himself that remind us to approach investing with humility and a willingness to learn from others. Mistake number 11, neglecting to rebalance your portfolio. As market conditions change, the composition of your portfolio can become imbalanced. We'll explain why periodically rebalancing your investments is crucial for maintaining a healthy risk-reward profile. Warren Buffett adjusts his portfolio over time to ensure it aligns with his long-term investment objectives, and we'll show you how you can do the same. Mistake number 12, failing to learn from mistakes. Every investor makes mistakes, but the key is to learn from them and grow. In this final segment, we'll discuss the importance of analyzing your investment missteps, understanding what went wrong, and using those lessons to improve your future decisions. Warren Buffett himself has embraced failure as a stepping stone to success, and will leave you with inspiring quotes that encourage a growth mindset. And there you have it, folks, the 12 mistakes every investor makes, as inspired by the timeless wisdom of Warren Buffett. Remember, the path to financial independence is paved with knowledge and discipline. Avoiding these common pitfalls will put you on the fast track towards achieving your goals. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow investors. And of course, make sure you're subscribed to our channel so you never miss out on our future videos, where we'll continue to bring you the most insightful financial content. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Remember, invest wisely, stay focused, and together, let's build a future of financial independence. Until next time, take care and happy investing.